We've just taken this in part exchange against a Jaguar F Pace. Very, very nice, clean, champagne coloured XF 2.2 luxury with a boatload of factory options, about £2,500 worth. Absolutely beautiful condition, just arrived, not been cleaned yet. To come with a full MOT, up-to-date service. You can add privacy glass if you want for £199, we can do that in-house. It's got a winter pack, so heated, timed windscreen, I think heated steering wheel and heated seat, so it's quite a nice extra. Front and rear park sensors. If you look on the description, I've listed all the extras there for you. So it's $10,995. We offer a price match within 60 miles, like for like. We offer 3.99 finance, so 10 grand would only be £199 a month. So you can put £2,000 down and drive this little beauty that does 40 to the gallon for £199 a month, just under £50 a week. Give us a call. Just arrived. A very, very clean example with full history.